Let's talk about when you get a bad review. I mean, it all happens. If you're in a high production office and you're seeing tons of patients, there is gonna be a dropped ball. There's gonna be a situation where either it's on you or the patient is just kind of unfriendly and would find faults with anything. So we get these bad reviews, and it can be on Yelp, or it can be on Google or Facebook or wherever. It is important that you do respond to these reviews. You want to respond in a timely manner. And when you acknowledge the review, obviously there's the HIPAA component, where you can't say, oh yeah, you're in the office and I disagree with you and it was this or that. You can't do that. But you can acknowledge the review in a way that acknowledges the review, states that it's not typical of the office. Normally we blank, blank, blank. And while you're doing this acknowledgement and making these points, you're actually promoting how the office normally is. Like, most of our patients have a great experience. This is not normal. We usually give stellar care. And you can phrase this review in a way that it actually does PR work for you. Because in a lot of cases, when a person leaves a review, if you don't feel you can handle them, then you're not really trying to prove to them that you're right or they're wrong. You're actually just trying to save point or make it okay in a PR world for the person who reads the review, because that's what you're doing it for. And so you can actually use the points they bring up to then counterpoint in a nice, polite, professional way the benefits of the practice. And so when we leave reviews, what we try to do is we try to acknowledge the points and then say, well, it's not typical of how we operate. This is what we shoot for. And then we give the ideal scene. And then we back it up by all the other positive Google reviews that we have. And it's great to have a ton of positive Google or Yelp reviews, because then you can refer to those in the review. So the person who reads it, the third party, not the person who gave the negative review or the office, they're like, oh wow, yeah, they do have 1,000 Google reviews and they're 4.9 stars. So it kind of discounts that this one negative review reflects the whole experience everybody gets. So when you leave these reviews, definitely don't shy away from them. Do confront it, do respond, be timely, and use a PR approach, because you're actually handling it for the person who views it. Then if there is any technical issue with your services, review it with your staff, get it fixed so it's not there for the future person. And that's how we recommend handling Google reviews. And as an added bonus, usually you can take something like ChatGPT and you can build a prompt where it helps you respond to the reviews. Not automatically, not unmanned, but it can definitely have a prompt, you put the review in, and it gives you a response. And you can use it to quickly craft a great message that follows this point that I'm making, and it makes answering reviews super simple. Done it tons of times and it works out great. Sean with Xpress, quick tip.